In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to an article in Substack. Before we begin, make sure you're logged in and on your Substack dashboard. We'll be working with an existing post, but the same approach works inside drafts as well. Start by navigating to the section that lists your posts. Look for the posts area in your publishing home. Clicking it will show all your published pieces and drafts in one place, so you can quickly find the article you want to update. Next, locate the specific post you want to modify. To the right of that post, you'll see a small 3-dot menu icon. This is the More Options menu, sometimes called the Kebab menu. Click those 3 dots to open a set of actions for that post. This is where Substack gathers quick controls, so you don't have to leave the list view to manage your content. From that menu, choose Edit. This opens the full post editor. Give the page a second to load, and then place your text cursor exactly where you want the image to appear. If the image is meant to break up long text, position it on a new line between paragraphs. If it supports a specific sentence or idea, place the cursor right at that point so the image sits naturally in the flow. Now, look for the Insert Image control in the editor. You'll see an image icon in the formatting toolbar. Click the Insert Image icon, then select Image. Substack will prompt you to add your picture. Follow the on-screen cues to bring the image in. If you're uploading from your computer, choose a clear, high-quality file such as a JPEG or PNG. If you're adding an image hosted elsewhere, be sure the link is reliable and publicly accessible so readers can see it without issues. Once the image appears in your editor, you can refine it. Click the image to reveal alignment or size options and adjust it to fit the layout of your article. Keep readability in mind. Large images can be striking, but they should not overwhelm the text. If a caption or alt text field is available, add a concise description. This improves accessibility and gives helpful context to readers who skim. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use images you have the rights to, keep file sizes reasonable for fast loading, and stay consistent with your publication's visual style. That's it. Your image is now embedded right where you want it, enhancing your article and helping your message land more effectively.